To create a form using the Measure First tool, first select the black Forms button at the top of the screen. You will be prompted to log in or to create a free account. Next, select the black New Form icon. From here, you will be able to create your own customizable Fidelity monitoring form. To edit the title of the form, hover over the Title text box, then click Edit. Follow the same steps to edit the title of each form section. To add a new section to your form, scroll down to the bottom of the page and select Add Section. The Measure First tool allows users to add a wide variety of question types. To add a question, first use the Question Type drop-down menu to select the type of question you would like to add. Then click Add Question. Once you have added a question, you can edit the question text by hovering over the item and selecting Edit. Different types of questions generate different methods of answer submission. Some question types have customizable answer options. Dichotomous questions allow users to select yes or no. Count questions allow the user to track each time a behavior occurs. User selects the plus icon each time a behavior occurs. Duration questions allow the user to time the length of an observed behavior. User clicks the play icon when the behavior begins and the pause icon when the behavior ends. Use the stop icon to reset the timer. Rate questions allow the user to track the number of times a behavior occurs per minute. The user selects the play icon to begin the timer and clicks the plus icon each time a behavior occurs. Use the circular arrow icon to reset both fields. Scale questions allow the user to pick from a range of predetermined values by sliding the black circle to the desired degree. When creating a scale question, users can customize the scale's minimum and maximum values, step size, and default value. To do this, hover over the item and select Edit. Checklist and multiple choice questions can also be customized. The number of choices cannot be changed. When completing a checklist question, the user may select any of the options that apply. When completing a multiple choice question, the user may only select one option. Notes questions allow users to enter free-form text. Forms save automatically. To view completed forms, select the black Forms box at the top of the menu.